Hi everyone! It's been a while nung gumawa ako ng voiceover. So, nandito po tayo sa itour ko kayo for a bit. Marina Keppel Bay, and dito po nakapark yung lahat ng private yacht. So, pwede din tayo ditong magrenta through online. So, for 16 people, we will pay about $1,044 is about like sa peso, nasa 45,000 pesos, ganon. And then, marami tayong pwedeng gawin pag nag-rent tayo, like barbecue, party, yun po. So, mapapasyalan din po natin yung tatlong island. Nakapasyal na din po ako doon. It was Lazarus Island, Coso Island, and St. John Island. It was really, really, really beautiful. The sky is blue, the ocean is blue, so peaceful, so breezy, and we can do a lot of things there. Barbecue, partying, and the best thing that I love is sunrise and sunset. If you want to go and visit down there, guys, let me tell you, make sure the weather is really good. It's not raining, otherwise you won't see anything, guys. So, yun lang, just a little bit of sharing. Thank you.